about the best leader you've ever worked with. What made them stand out? Maybe they built trust, communicated clearly, or helped you grow in ways you didn't expect. Now think about the opposite, a leader who left people feeling unheard and disconnected. Leadership makes all the difference. Organizations need leaders who don't just manage change, they inspire it. That's where PK Impact Leadership comes in. Leadership isn't about titles, it's about impact. Our workshop helps leaders build the skills to create high-trusting teams, improve communication and workflows, and drive innovation. Participants learn to develop and support teams, coach individuals towards success, and confidently lead organizational change. Ready to transform your leadership? Let's make it happen together.